Hello, my name is Dana Mahoney, and I'm a research analyst with Goldline Research. Goldline Research is an independent market research firm that evaluates professional services providers throughout the United States. We recently completed an evaluation of insurance professionals throughout the United States, and this presentation contains a brief overview of different types of insurance and the role of an insurance professional, characteristics of a good insurance professional, recommendations for working with an insurance professional, our research findings and methodology, and of course a summary. So, what is insurance and what are the types of insurance? Insurance serves as a safety net to cover you in the case of an accident such as a fire or even theft. You pay the insurance carrier a premium, for example a fee, to cover against such a risk, and in turn, if one of the aforementioned accidents occurs, the insurance carrier pays you a benefit. Insurance carriers generally make money when the benefits that are paid out are less than the premiums that are paid in. There are literally thousands of different types of insurance with nearly limitless variations in the level of coverage that you can obtain. However, the primary insurance types that you're likely to run across are as follows. There's life and health. This includes life insurance, health insurance, and even long-term care insurance, and in some cases, your employer may provide basic levels of coverages for these types of insurance. Auto and home. This includes auto insurance and homeowners and renters insurance. This helps protect you, your home, and your car against accidents. Commercial insurance. There's a large number of types of policies found here ranging from business liability to directors and officers policies, among others. Businesses purchase these policies to help reduce their risks when conducting business. And then there's other. This can be any number of type of insurance ranging from travel insurance to pet insurance. Purchasing insurance is relatively easy and can be done through a number of different mediums. There are captive agents, meaning that they sell only policies on the behalf of one carrier. There are independent insurance agents and brokers, meaning that they sell insurance on behalf of many carriers. There's the internet, but the agent, broker, or company selling the policy must have a valid state license to broker insurance in your particular state. Then there's purchasing directly from the insurance carrier. This is more common with policies such as home and auto. This is similar to purchasing from a captive agent, but might typically be done through the internet rather than through an agent. Insurance is heavily regulated. Your insurance agent or broker or carrier must be licensed in your particular state in order to sell insurance in that state. The purpose of an independent insurance broker is to help you research the various types of policies, the level of coverage, for example, how much risk might you incur, and the prices for said policies. They function to help you find the best coverage at the lowest price. Remember that insurance agents and brokers are paid on commission. They get paid when they sell a policy to you, so their interests are not always aligned with yours. So what makes a good insurance professional? The insurance professional you choose may end up being a partner with you for a long period of time. Here are a few of the things that we found in our research. A good insurance professional is the following. They're a good listener and a good communicator. Insurance can be a complex undertaking, and most policies have lots of fine print. Finding a good insurance professional that can help steer you in the right direction by listening to your needs is paramount. They're willing to disclose commissions to you up front. As I mentioned earlier, insurance companies pay agents and brokers a commission to sell their policies. Find out how much your agent or broker is going to make by selling you the policy. They are ethical. It's easy for your agent or broker to sell you a policy that simply pays him or her the highest commission rather than providing you with the best or most comprehensive level of coverage. You need to feel comfortable that your broker is telling you the entire story. And find one that specializes in and is knowledgeable about the particular type of insurance policy that you're seeking. It's relatively easy to find a generalist insurance agent who sells auto and home policies to cover your car and your house. With a generalist, you want to ensure that he or she can provide you with a range of coverage and pricing options. Conversely, if you're a professional singer and you need to cover your voice, that's specialized coverage, and there are very few agents or brokers that can help you. Based upon our experience in evaluating insurance professionals over the last 5 years, there are a number of things that you should consider when working with insurance agents and brokers. Make sure to research policy types and pricing on the internet. While there's certainly a lot of misinformation on the internet these days, there's also a tremendous amount of valuable information regarding coverage levels and policy types that might be applicable to you. Make sure to speak with multiple brokers and agents. This will help ensure that you're receiving the best pricing and the most comprehensive level of coverage, since not all brokers have access to the same pricing and policies. And ask to speak with clients like you to learn about their experiences regarding payment of claims, renewal of policies from year to year, and general customer service. Do not work with agents or brokers that are not licensed to do business in your state. They cannot legally sell your policy to you, and it may not be a valid policy. Unfortunately, you may not find out the policy is invalid until you're seeking payment of your benefit, and by then it's too late. Do not work with agents and brokers that have numerous complaints filed against them with their state insurance regulator or commissioner, as this is a sign of bad business practices, or do not work with firms that will not disclose their compensation or commission structure to you, as this means that they are trying to conceal their self-interest from you, which is probably not aligned with your interests. And now on to our research findings. Goldline Research undertakes a multi-step research process to identify leading providers based upon a predetermined set of criteria. Our research process includes market analysis, individual company interviews, and consumer calls. Throughout the U.S., we identified more than 300,000 independent insurance agents and brokers. We found that the typical firm across the country has more than 20 years of industry experience, has approximately 950 active clients, has a total staff of 11, represents 30 different insurance carriers, and sells approximately $15 million in premiums per year. Finally, we found that most firms have developed a specialty niche in one of the following insurance products: benefits and health, auto and home, life and health, commercial, which includes E&O and general liability, and other. Remember that the aforementioned metrics are just averages, and that the agency or brokerage that you choose may either exceed or even fall short of those metrics, but still serve your needs really well. So in summary, there are more than 300,000 independent insurance brokers and agents to choose from. Typical insurance agents or brokers have extensive industry experience and have developed expertise in a few specific product lines. Interview the agent or broker that you are considering to ensure that there is a good fit and that the agent or broker has experience working with clients like you. Interview clients like you to make sure that the agent or broker that you choose has lived up to their commitments. If you have any questions or need more information about us, please feel free to visit our website at www.goldlineresearch.com or call us at 415-892-9400. Thank you.